Hey my DIYers, we are back at it with another video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Today we are learning how to do jumbo boho braids over locks. Let's get into it. So first we're gonna mist our hair. I got some rose water in here with some oil. Use whatever you prefer, just hydrate your locks. Then we're gonna go in with the Loc and Twist. I'm using my edge comb to brush it out. And then we got our rubber bands. If it is too tight, please loosen it. You do not want them tight and pulling on your roots. All right, and then we're going in again with the Loc and Twist. Rubber band, and done. And no, it doesn't have to be perfect. At the end of the day, we are doing braids over locks. My locks have definitely gotten thicker. This is my second time doing jumbo braids over them. It was a little bit of a challenge, but we got it done. So here I am taking 4 of my locks. Okay, and the front is what I care about the most. I want to make sure that it looks at least straight and even. All right, we are done. This is the layout. So we're using the Spectra Pre-Stretched 54-inch color number 1, and then I did the 1B in the, I just had leftover hair from my previous hairstyle, and I'm using the 18-inch 1B Freetress braid. And this hair was really easy to work with. Alright, so we're starting off with the first braid. Okay, everyone knows the first braid is going to be rough. So like you learn as you go, okay? It's going to look a little shaky, but as we go on, it gets better. So I did not braid it down all the way. I'm going to curl the ends. Okay, on to my second braid. I'm putting some Loc and Twist, and then we are going to wrap that around and make sure we get that covered. Then I'm adding the French curl braid. clipping it up so it's out of the way and continuing to braid down and adding the lock and twist as I go. And it did make a humongous difference. Okay, it's looking good so far. We got one more to go. And at this point, I was done. I was over it. I didn't care. Like, not perfection. Just looking for something quick for the weekend. Alright, so now we are going to curl our ends and dip them in hot water. Don't get the French curl in the hot water because it will straighten it out. And there you have it. We got the final look. I was really gonna give up midway through just because the back wasn't perfect, but I'm like, you know what? I love it. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna keep it up the majority of the time, and that is exactly what I did. And I really love how this came out. And boom, final result. I am pleased, I am happy, I am feeling myself. I'm loving how it came out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment. To all my DIYers, I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you.